There we are, the two bus stops there, Canning Highway, the building materials, rocking chair I did up, still happening, front veranda, plenty of space, they're making some containers for recyclables, and I'll cut the hole in here and the right shape for whatever goes in there. Compost bucket waiting to be emptied, and yeah, so welcome to my home, maybe your home. So in the door, let's shut the door. So this is the room, the river room, and you know, we have a choice of art. Some of it's hanging, everything you need, wardrobe, the stuff in there, blankets, sheets, coat hangers, the laundry basket, plenty of storage for clothes, in case people don't have their own bedding, the office chair, and I'll take you over this side. Nice old comfy couch. And there's the view out the door there. And I said we have a choice of artworks. So there's some more here and here. This is a storage room at the moment. There's some pin-up board, file container. I'm going to clean these tables down. Maybe put them in that room. And the wardrobe needs a little bit of work. And for a pelmet to go up there, and I'll put one in the other room. You can see the rooms are lockable. And down the hallway, we have the bathroom, toilet. I've been cleaning, I emptied the water there, it's usually cleaner than that. A few indoor plants, in basin, place to hang your shower, your towel while you're in the shower, and yeah, toilet. Don't look in there, that's messy, that's my room. And somewhere to eat, more art, my storage room, cups and glasses and things, storage, kitchen, recyclables, pots and pans and cups and saucers and everything, plenty of cooking gear. Haven't washed the dishes yet. They cooked a little while ago. The toaster, we've got everything. More pots and pans, more storage space,